Friends, in this video we will repaste detached silicone earbud on your earphone. Friends, I am Farhan. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Polyfix Instant Glue. Make sure to subscribe our channel. First, we apply a few drops of Polyfix gel glue to the inside of the silicone earbud. Then we spray on the earphone with the Polyfix spray activator. Now let's put the silicone earbud back in place. A few seconds are pressed by hand. Wow, look at this. Our silicone earbud is firmly affixed to our earphone. See this, now it is not coming out even by pulling. In this way our video is 100% successful. That's why today people also call these the doctor of household goods. So friends, Polyfix gel glue and Polyfix spray activator are the wonderful product. If you need Polyfix gel glue and Polyfix spray activator, then these are available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can purchase these very easily from there or you can contact to the company.
हमारे मोबाइल नंबर हैं 9212430840 और 9212430841। वेबसाइट है www.bensonpolymers.in और www.polyfix.in।